Hello dear traders, I continue now with the results that I have in the account where I have left 30 expert advisors for euro pound, euro dollar and pound dollar. So for one day and couple of hours, I think total trading, I have nearly 100 euro of a profit so far, and these are closed trades. Okay, now the thing is, how do we follow the results? Now for me it will be easy to see which strategies actually open those trades because I have this comment column, and if you don't see it, you just need to right click on the bar where you have the time, the price, the swap, the profit, and there is a comment. So if you untick it, it will hide. Normally by default when you install the MetaTrader you don't see the comments, but one more time right click and check it. This way you will see comment, and the comment is the magic number from each expert advisor. If you remember, when we placed the expert advisors over the chart with the inputs of the parameters on the bottom, there was the magic number, and each magic number is unique for every expert advisor. This way we know which strategy opened and closed the trade. Now if we have a couple of trades like what I have so far, it will be easy to see which strategies, which expert advisors made profit, which made loss. So for example, if I arrange the profit according to the strategies which made most profit on the top and the ones that are currently losing on the bottom, you can see that it will be easy to see on the right side which strategies made most profit. But when you leave your account for a longer time, let's say a couple of weeks or months even, you will see hundreds of trades over here, and you will need to use the calculator or put this in Excel or something like that and do some calculations, which will be really hard and time consuming and probably confusing. So what I do to follow the results is I use one external website that is called FX Blue. So here it is. I just synchronize the account on MetaTrader with the website and see what I have. I have the magic number, the comment, the number of trades open, how much was the gross profit, the gross loss, the net profit. Here will be profit factor calculated when I have more trades, winners, losers. I have a lot of statistics. If I scroll on the right side, you can see that I have best trade, worst trade, longest, shortest, average length for the positions. I have total net pips, and you can see for this time I have 111.9, almost 112 pips, and I have a lot of statistics over here which will be more with the time. But so far for one day, and you can see that actually this is from 11th of June, all trades were closed, and yeah, they were closed within the 11th of June, and actually now with me is already 12th, but it's just right after midnight I am recording this video. Alright, so how we actually connect the MetaTrader account with FX Blue. If you have seen some of my courses, probably you know already how to do it. If not, I will show it very quickly. I just bring one more FX Blue tab. What you need to do is you need to go to FX Blue Live, and keep in mind that I'm not connected to this website and I don't recommend it or something like that. I just use it as statistical website. Now let me log out of the account which I have already registered, and what you need to do, you need to click on register. Depends if you use MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. In this case I use MetaTrader 4. So here you need to select the broker server that you're using. You can see hundreds of brokers servers are listed below. You enter your account number and then you enter your read-only password. Below you have to enter the email and you click on register. After you register, you need to click on account synchronization. So let me just log in very quickly and I will show you what I mean. After I'm logged in, there is account synchronization. Make sure you click on it and click on save changes. Alright, then you can go to the statistics and click on strategy. This is where you will see the results. It is very easy to synchronize the account, and for me it is very useful to have these statistics. And what is the idea of following the results? The thing is that I want to place on my live account the expert advisors that are currently making profit, okay? As you saw with the back test of the strategies, every strategy has a losing phase and a profitable phase. It has stagnation, then it has profitable period. Now the thing is that we want to trade the strategies when they are in their profitable period. So by following the results, I will know which expert advisors make profit for the current market conditions. And I would suggest you first not to hurry with live trading accounts, and what you can do is actually open another demo account and place the top expert advisors on another demo account. This way you will practice this system, and of course this is the way how I do it, how I follow the results. You can have your own way. If you find easier way to follow the results from MetaTrader, even better, but I will just share in these videos how I do it, and in the next videos I will show you what methods I use in order to select which expert advisors to place on the live account. And one more time, I don't suggest anybody to trade live account. Better first to practice on a demo, open a second demo, put there top expert advisors just to practice the system. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next lecture. Cheers!